Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the Sony Inzone H9 wireless gaming headset.
Known for its sleek design and Sony's reputation in audio technology, this headset promises a lot.
Let's find out if it delivers. First off, let's talk about the design.
The Sony Inzone H9 boasts a glamorous and ergonomic design that's definitely eye-catching. It features a combination of sandblasted white plastic and high-contrast black accents, giving it a modern, premium look. The ear cups are large and circumaural, providing a comfortable fit for long gaming sessions. Sony has really nailed the aesthetics here, making it a great match if you're into the PS5 ecosystem. In terms of build quality, the headset feels sturdy and well-made. The materials used are top-notch, and Sony has paid attention to detail with a soft faux leather earcup padding and adjustable headband. It's designed for comfort, and it shows. Whether you have a larger or smaller head, the Inzone H9 adjusts well and stays comfortable even after hours of gaming.
Moving on to features, the Inzone H9 offers both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connectivity options,
which is great for flexibility across different devices. It also supports USB-C for charging and connectivity, though it lacks analog input.
On-headset controls are intuitive, including options for adjusting game chat volume, noise cancelling, and Bluetooth pairing. The inclusion of ANC is a welcome addition, although it doesn't eliminate all ambient noise. Now, let's get to the crucial part: audio performance. This is where the Inzone H9 falls a bit short of expectations.
Despite Sony's reputation in audio technology, the headset disappoints with middling sound quality. The audio lacks the depth and clarity you'd expect at this price range. The bass, while present, feels somewhat muted, and the overall sound profile is not as dynamic as competitors like Logitech or Corsair.
Whether you're gaming or listening to music, it's just okay, which is underwhelming for a headset in this bracket. Similarly, the microphone performance is another area of concern.
It's surprisingly worse than what you'd find on Sony's cheaper models. For gaming or virtual meetings, clarity and crispness matter, and the Inzone H9 doesn't quite deliver on that front.
On a positive note, battery life is solid, offering up to 32 hours with ANC turned off. Quick charging via USB-C is also convenient, giving you an hour of gameplay with just 10 minutes of charge. Sony's Inzone Hub software is user-friendly, allowing for EQ adjustments, though you may find yourself tweaking it to compensate for the headset's default audio settings. To wrap it up, the Sony Inzone H9 wireless gaming headset impresses with its design and comfort but falters in audio performance, especially considering its price point. If you prioritize style and comfort over audio fidelity, this might still appeal to you, especially if you're deeply invested in the Sony ecosystem. However, if you're looking for the best sound quality for gaming or multimedia, you might want to consider other options in this competitive market. That concludes our review of the Sony Inzone H9 wireless gaming headset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.